In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get sales on Clickbank just like this. So if this is something that you're interested in, make sure to watch this video till end. Hello guys, Banks here. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make $300 a day promoting Clickbank products for free. So this is for all of the beginners that are asking me, I have $0 to invest, I can't build any website, I can't build any funnels. So I'm going to show you guys this method that is really easy to get started with. So the only thing that you need is to send traffic to your affiliate link. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And you can see some of the sales from last 20 days. You can see $2,279. And you can see here are some of the sales in last, as I said, 20 days. So it is really easy to get sales once you find the right traffic. And I'm going to show you guys how you can find the right traffic for specific products. So make sure to watch this video till end. Also guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure to press that subscribe button because we upload daily videos on this channel on how to make money online, how to make money on Clickbank, so you don't want to miss that out. So make sure to press that subscribe button. So I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to jump straight into this video, so I'm not going to waste your time. So first of all, I'm going to show you guys how you can create a Clickbank account if you already don't have one. So go on clickbank.com and right here in the right corner, you can see create account. And again, it is really easy to create account. It is 100% free, so you don't have any risks on losing some money or something like that. So it is 100% free. You can go and create your Clickbank account. After you're done with that, you want to click on affiliate marketplace, and usually I would talk about what you can choose. Right here on the left, you can see categories that you can put. You can find some niches that you can create your content around, but we're going to jump in specific niche. So we're going to search for President of United States, and I'm going to explain you guys why are we doing this. So right here you can see Trump 2020 gold coin. So we're going to promote this product, and I want to explain you guys why are we promoting specifically this product. So first of all, you can see when we click on the link of this affiliate link, you can see it says over 62 million people voted for our president. They all need this coin. So there are 62 million people that voted for Donald Trump. And I want to explain you guys how you can promote this product with free traffic and how you can get sales. So first of all, you can see it is 100% free coin, but when you click, of course, on the buy button, you need to pay for shipping. So shipping and handling for one coin, it costs $6.95. And after that, you can see if you want to buy 2 coins, you can pay almost $9 for those coins, and there is free shipping and handling. So basically, they're selling the product for free, but they're going to pay for shipping and handling. So that is how this method works. And I want to explain you guys how you can promote this coin. And what is really important is, of course, when you click on affiliate tools, I want to show you guys this. So this funnel, on average, it converts from 5 to 10%. So that means when you send targeted traffic to this affiliate link, when someone comes, let's say 100 people comes to this affiliate link, and 10 people are going to probably buy it. So you can see average commission per customer, you can earn $20 per customer on average. And what that means is you can see they're going to get this coin for free, but they're going to enter the funnel with 5 different offers. So they're going to get 5 different offers, and that is what we call upsales. And when they buy these upsales and different offers, you're going to earn commission also on those. So that is why this is really great product to promote. So I want to show you guys how you can promote easily without creating website, without doing any of that stuff. I want to show you guys how you can promote this product for free. So you can see average bill for this product could be up to $420. So basically you're giving this product for free on the front end, but on the back end you're selling a lot of other products that your customers are going to be highly interested in. So this is going to convert like crazy. So let's click on promote, and you want to enter your affiliate ID right here. So basically that is how Clickbank knows that you have sent the sale to them. So when you enter your Clickbank ID right here and click on generate hop link, you're going to get this specific and special affiliate link that you're going to use to let Clickbank know that you have sent the sale if they buy the product. So you're going to earn sale only if customer buys the product. If some people, let's say 1,000 people that are not interested in this product, they click on this affiliate link and they don't buy the product, you're going to earn $0. So that is really important to know. So I don't want to tell you guys just send traffic and you're going to get sales. You need to find actually people that are going to buy the product. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So we have took this affiliate link and we're going to use tinyurl to make our affiliate link looks much better. So you can see right here, it looks much better right here. So let's click on copy, and we're going to use this affiliate link to send our customers to this landing page. So what I would do is I would go on Facebook. So there are a few methods that you can use, but if you go on Facebook and you search, for example, Donald Trump, and you're going to find tons of these pages right here. You don't want to go on his main page, but you can find tons of different ones. For example, this one. And you can come to this page with 4.2 million likes on this page, and you can find a lot of videos that people that loves Donald Trump, they're going to come here. And you can see some of them have a lot of views, a lot of shares, a lot of stuff. You can see this right here has almost 1,000 likes. So that means that a lot of people comes to this page, probably around 50,000 people watch this video in just a few hours. You can see 332,000 views in just 2 hours. So what you can do is you can go in comment selection right here, find the top comment. You can see this one is the top comment. You can click on reply right here. And what you can do is you can post your affiliate link right here, and you can take this over 62 million people voted for our president. They all need this coin. We can copy that and say, check it out. And we want to post it right here. So you can see it is going to take a few seconds to post this comment. And once it is live, I want to show you guys what is going to happen. So just wait for a few moments. You can see right here, the coin is showing up right here. So that means not 332,000 people are going to see this comment that we have replied on the top comment, but at least few thousand people are going to see it. And let's say 500 people are going to click on our link, and few orders we can get. So you don't want just to post one comment, but of course you don't want to spam. If you spam, you're 100% going to get banned. So that is really important to know. Don't spam. If you spam, you're going to get banned. So you're going to, when you post some comments, people are not going to see it because you're banned. So you don't want that to happen. So don't try to spam and post let's say 5 or 10 or 50 comments per day on these pages. That is not how to do this method. So our second way that you can get traffic to your affiliate link is Reddit. So you can see on Reddit, you don't want to open some posts around this, but you can see right here, politics. You can find this, of course, You can see they're sending us to the news. But if you go and click on comments right here, you want to find the top comment right here. You can see this top comment doesn't have a lot of replies. So what you can do is you can reply to your comment and post your affiliate link. So for people that watch, you can see how many people have voted for this top comment, 3,400 people. So that means over 50,000 people saw this comment. So you want to go and reply with your affiliate link. But again, if you try to spam, if you try to post a lot of affiliate links just like this, again, you're going to get ghosted. You want to do this method without getting noticed a lot, because when the people who own these forums and Facebook pages, when they see that you're posting a lot of affiliate links, they're going to ghost you, so you can't actually post them anymore. So you want to post, let's say, 1 or 2 comments per day on this stuff. Another way that you can use to get some targeted traffic is, of course, Google. So what you can do, you can search for news, you can click right here on tools, and in last 24 hours, you can find a lot of these news that you can post comments on. So this is really important to find fresh new news, because not a lot of people saw them, and these pages are going to get millions of views. So you want to go and, of course, search for some of the websites that offer to post comments. So right here you can see BBC doesn't allow to post comments. So you want to go search for another one, then search for another one. And once you find some news website that allow to post comments, you can go and post your comment. Just go and scroll to the bottom right here and see right here you can see this is not comment. So you want to go and find some news that actually allow to post comments, and once you find them, make sure to post your comment with your affiliate link, and you can get some traffic to your affiliate link so you can earn a sale or 2. So this is a really easy way to get started with making money on Clickbank. So if this is something that you're interested in, I have a lot of other videos on my YouTube channel with paid traffic and a lot of other ways to make money with Clickbank, and also to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested in, make sure to press that like button, make sure to press that subscribe button, because we upload daily videos. And that is it for today's video, guys. See you soon, and bye.